Welcome. Today we'll be learning how to solve simultaneous equations. Generally speaking, there are two methods of approaching a pair of simultaneous equations. 1. Substituting one equation into another. 2. The manipulation of equations. This video will cover method 1. This is a typical example of a system of simultaneous equations. You may pause the video right now to attempt this and come back to the video when you're ready. As you may notice, the only variable in these two equations with a coefficient of 1 is the y in the equation 1. What you want to do now is rearrange the equation so that y is on one side, like this. Now, what you can do is substitute this rearranged equation into the y in the second equation. This will yield Now it is easier to solve for x. First, gather the like terms. And now you should get x equals to 20 over 7. Now that you have x equals to 20 over 7, you can substitute this value into equation 1 or equation 2, but I'll just substitute it into equation 1 because I feel like it. So you get 3 times 20 over 7 plus y equals to 10, which becomes y equals to 10 minus 60 over 7 equals to 10 over 7. Thus the solution to this is x equals to 20 over 7 and y equals to 10 over 7. This is another example of a system of simultaneous equations. This is different to example 1 though, because the coefficient of y in both equations is not 1. We will follow the same steps in example 1 by isolating y from equation 1. This becomes y equals to 12 minus 5x over 3. Now, an important note that I did not mention for example 1 is that please do not isolate y from one of the equations and then substitute it back into the same equation, because then you will end up getting 0 equals to 0. Now, after you substitute this into equation 2, you get 4x plus 24 minus 10x plus 3 equals to 12. Now, solving, you get 12x plus 24 minus 10 equals to 36, 2x equals to 12, and x equals to 6. Now, just like with example 1, we will substitute x equals to 6 into either equation 1 or equation 2, but I'll just substitute into equation 1. This becomes 30 plus 3y equals to 12, 3y minus 18 equals to minus 18, y equals to negative 6. Thus, the solution to this system of simultaneous equations is x equals to 6 and y equals to negative 6. This concludes the video. I've left 2 examples at the end of this video for you to try. Feel free to leave your answers in the comments below.